So you're a designer and you're looking for just the right spot print because you want to mix it with a floral or a Jacobean, but you can't find the right color. Well, my name is Jama Brown and I design Daisy Bennett Designs wallpaper, murals, and fabrics. And today it's all about the spot print. That is the perfect print to solve that problem because they look great with florals, they look great with checks, they look great with geometrics, and you can mix two of them together, what we have here, with our spot print. As a little design tip, you can always mix more than one color of the same print. That's kind of a fun thing to do to mix it up a little bit in your decorating. So if you want more ideas, please go to daisybennettdesigns.com. Don't forget to subscribe and look for our newsletter. We love to keep in touch. See behind the scenes in our studio, and if you're looking for pillows and fabrics or wallpaper, we're the spot to go to. Until next time, happy decorating.